Menteri Keterat Boarding Eti Mondal akas ngibaar ula pentip baka Sorkar jela kala Thung konsultan banwat ya kawaipat kalenti Ïaid ne Surok kaban pentikna ba barok kikali kibawan Shillong kin Donkam shu ban Ïaid lingba ka Jingkieng yam. Abaya kren ba kinong thok kubor Mondal loong ba halor ka ISBT hamawyong kan Donkam katok ane por ban yo ya ka Surok Ïaid kaban la penlong ya kene ke terminal ke batrikam kumbala temu banlong.
See, I want to tell you very straightforward. We have engaged an IIT for giving us the technical feasibility for allowing the vehicles passing through the bridge, and we are exactly doing what they have told us. This bridge restriction will be there. It is going to stay for quite long. Because with time, the condition of bridge will deteriorate more. So how can we expect that the ban will be lifted for higher or heavy vehicles?
Then what's the...
That is a different issue. It doesn't mean that ISBT will be not utilized in near future. Government is engaged to see an alternative route. Now, why we are not allowing through the bridge? Because the dam condition also we got to look into, and so also the bridge condition. And as per our consultant, they told that no vehicle more than 9 metric ton should be allowed through the bridge. That's why we are restricting that one. Say suppose today we allow and something happens, then what happened? Then you will only tell that why government did not follow the directives of the consultant. Is we are restricting the vehicle? No. And as you told ISBT, see, ISBT will serve its purpose. Maybe it will require sometimes to get an alternative route, for which government has engaged some consultant also, and they are working on to see that an alternative route is made so that all types of vehicle can come to Shillong.